Do you guys remember this baby bird? Here's a follow-up. Here's mama bird. And I don't know if you're gonna be, oh, no. Yep, there's baby bird. I can't remember who asked for this. I'm gonna go back and look after this, but I wanted to show you. She's still there? Yep. That's mama bird. Sometimes she look over. Hey mama. Watching over her babies. I remember who this was for. Pixie, this one's for you, girl. And I'm pretty sure this is the same mama bird that built a nest out front of my house in my neighbor's bush. I swear this is her. So hope you like the follow-up.